PSA for all you homeowners out there. It's summertime. Probably time to change your filter. Be good to change your filter about every 3 months. Real simple. Look how nasty that one is. I don't know how long that one's been in there. Longest I've ever seen was like 1.5 years, and that thing was caked. But yeah, get rid of that. Get you a little brush or something, rag. Shake that bad boy out if you have to. Look at the old one, it'll tell you what size you're using. Find that arrow on the sign, it says airflow going up. Throw that bad boy right back up in there. Just like that. Give it a shut. There. If I can do it in a minute, so can you.